Hey guys, welcome back to PED 110. This week we have Chapter 9, Achieving Optimal Body Weight. And so we've got our checklist, our video, our PowerPoint, our quiz, and then our lab and the physical activity monitoring report. You'll also see on my screen that I have the next assignment, which would be the unit test for Chapter 7 through 9, but that's not due till April 10th. You shouldn't be able to see that on your screen yet. And so this Chapter 9 work will be due by March 27th, and then you'll have a week off for spring break, for the Easter break. So you won't have anything due that week, and then on April 10th, this unit test will be due. Guys, just a reminder, as always, to make sure you're completing the assignments each week. That's how attendance is measured in online courses. And for this last chapter, I think I had 7 absences in the week, and we're coming down to the short roads now, so I just don't want anybody to get caught up with the attendance policy near the end of the semester. As always, I'm here for you guys if you need me. I think you'll find in this chapter it really combines everything we've been talking about up to this point, similarly to Chapter 8. Okay, when it comes to achieving optimal body weight, though, there's no particular magic pills or magic diets. It's simply about calorie balance or energy balance, meaning that you need to burn more calories than you take in. If you want to lose weight, you take in more calories than you burn if you're trying to gain weight, or keeping a balance of calories if you're trying to maintain the weight that you're at now. But Chapter 9 will go into detail with that. Guys, have a great week.